Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! So guys, ito ay video tutorial on how to get or how to order GCash card using your GCash application. So let's start na guys. So make sure guys na ating GCash account ay fully verified and make sure guys na ating GCash wallet ay merong available balance na 215. So guys, if meron ng 215 yung GCash mo, click natin tong view all. And then, scroll down lang guys and click cash out. Then, click deliver. So, yun nga guys, kailangan merong available balance yung GCash wallet mo na 215. Kasi meron tayong babayaran guys sa GCash card na 150 and then delivery fee na 65 pesos. So, dito guys sa recipient information, so fill out mo lang yan guys yung delivery address and delivery information. So, fill out ko muna to guys. And then guys, pag nalagay mo na yung delivery address, so click lang tong I accept the terms and conditions, then next, then pay 215, then proceed, and that's it. Order successful na guys. And then please expect your card to be delivered within 10 business days. So, wait na lang daw natin ma-receive yung GCash card natin guys within 10 business days. And then, Mindanao yung location ko guys. So, 7 days lang guys ay na-receive ko na yung GCash card ko. So, ituturo ko na rin sa inyo guys kung paano i-link yung GCash card sa ating GCash account. So, guys, ililink ko na yung aking GCash card sa aking GCash account. So, dito sa ating GCash application guys, click lang natin profile. And then dito guys sa my link accounts, click lang natin to guys. Then click GCash Mastercard. Then click add a card. Then enter lang natin yung authenticator code guys, then submit. Then dito guys, yung last 4 digit of card is makikita natin sa ating GCash card guys. So enter lang natin yung last 4 digit. And then, itong virtual account number ay makikita natin sa likod ng ating GCash card, guys. So, 12-digit code yun, guys. So, enter lang natin, guys. So, pag na-enter na yung mga code, guys, click lang next. So, dito, guys, nominate 6-digit card PIN. So, enter mo lang yung PIN code mo, guys. So, make sure, guys, na hindi mo malilimutan yung PIN code kasi ito yung gagamitin mo na PIN code kapag mag-withdraw ka sa ATM machine. And then, pag okay na guys, click lang next. And then, that's it guys. GCash Mastercard link. So, nakalink na yung GCash card ko guys sa aking GCash account. And then, that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Thank you so much. God bless.